Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. So today I'm going to be doing a perm rod set. I lost my train of thought. But I'm going to be doing a perm rod set. I'm going to be doing this perm rod set different from the way I usually do it. And hopefully it turns out good. So basically, usually I'll just straight rod my hair. Today I'm going to be trying a set with flex twist from a video that I watched. So this is freshly washed hair. I washed and conditioned my hair while I was in the shower. You know, that good stuff. I don't know what. Oh, the products I'm going to be using. Going to be using the Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner by Shea Moisture, and the Lot of Body. They focusing. Moisturize Me Curl and Style Milk. And I don't know what color rods I should use. Oh, if you're not following my natural skincare page, follow Rode & Co. Of course, it's going to be linked down in the description box below. So we're going to flat twist. Let's hope I remember how. This is not the best looking flat twist, but it'll do. So this is going to be the hard part. Take the perm rod, wrap it around. Boom. And do the same for this side. Take it. basically, that's what I'll be doing for my whole head. So I'm going to forward through this. I'll come back when I do the front, when I do this part. But I'm about to turn my music on. This is gonna be a really small blood twist. Maybe I should use the white one. Sorry guys. See? So that one on. Only because this is so small. Okay. And I'll do this one. And then I'm going to go back to forward and probably do a voiceover. Because I'm just doing this over my whole head. Alright, so that's the front. I'm going to do this next section. I'm going to forward through this because I'm just going to repeat the part. Okay guys, I'm finally finished. I don't think this should have took that long, but hey. Yeah, so I'm finished. Here's the back, side. I'm not gonna sit under the hair dryer. I'm not going anywhere tonight. So this will be air drying. I know I'm going to be sleeping uncomfortable, but hey, that's the price of beauty, right? So I will see you guys tomorrow when I take the rods out. Hopefully, I feel like this is going to turn out cute, actually. But I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. So this is not the next morning. This is 2 days later, not one. But I cannot sleep on these any longer. So they're more than dry. Okay, guys, so I like it. It do look like my regular perm rod set. This side is way more defined to me than this side, but I like it. And it got a little shape to it. I'm gonna have to use a pick to get this middle part out in the back. But yeah, I would do this perm rod set again. Definitely would. Maybe. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed my shenanigans in this video, because I did not know how this will turn out, y'all. And please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Turn those notification bells on to get notified of my next video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.